Do you know what is human artificial intelligence and how it can help you to achieve hyper performance in your life, in your team, in your organization, in your city, and your society? If not, you are very welcome to join one of my upcoming masterclasses together with a pro-educational platform for champions. Not only you will learn how actually human intelligence and artificial intelligence are united and how they can be united to achieve greater levels of performance. You will also learn a little bit more about how to master this, and if you would like to even excel more, how to get to this kind of level. I really welcome you to join us because this will be a life-changing event for you. See you soon in one of my masterclasses.